What up, guys? Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Gonna get right into it today. 6 life and money lessons learned from Jeff Bezos, Mr. Amazon Prime himself, founder of the world's largest e-com company. Think about that. Currently has a net worth of over $148 billion. Not 1.4 billion, $148 billion. Stay tuned for this.
Number 1, guys, be stubborn on your vision, but be flexible on the details. Guys, we all have so many ideas and so many original thoughts that we believe we have. Make sure that if you want to execute one of them, make sure you're being stern, make sure your vision isn't already patented, but make sure that you are not going to waver outside of the lines that you want the direction of your company or your service or product to go. But you must be flexible on the details within it, because you can't be an expert at everything. The thing that makes Bezos one of the most incredible billionaires in the world is he isn't great at everything, but he is brilliant at bringing everyone together to execute his plan or idea. So you have to be flexible on the details within, but stubborn on the vision.
That's a great point. And to piggyback off of that, at number 2, we have life is too short to be hanging around people who aren't resourceful. Be mindful of who you're hanging around. Are people adding to your life or just continually abstracting from your life? Think about it, guys. You want to hang around people just like you, ahead of you, but with the same desire and passion as you. Remember, we always say this one: your network is your net worth. Simple as that.
Moving to numero 3. Guys, your company should not be addicted to being shiny. Shiny doesn't last. Guys, everyone wants that innovative brand. Everyone wants the coolest advertising. But guess what? So many people lack the product or the service. Not everything is going to be in the spotlight forever. So you have to make sure that your product or service has longevity. That it is not just necessarily the shiny new toy, but it is something that is useful and that is going to help people in everyday life. You want something that's going to be a part of people's life every single day, or at least enough to where your profit margins for a year, if they only need it once a year, or if it's a daily subscription, whatever it may be, just make sure it's needed within them.
Think about sustainable brands like Nike, Kleenex, Clorox, Apple, right? And then think about a brand like the fidget spinner. It's just a toy you play with it, now you're done with it. It's no longer here, right? It's no longer here. So you want to be more on that Nike/Apple side of things. You don't want to be some trendy product that goes up and comes right down like a fidget spinner. At number 4, if you can't tolerate critics, don't do anything new or interesting. Even if you mind your own business, being progressive in your business, being forward thinking in your business, there will be criticism. Whether you're successful or failing, which is what they really want, there will be some sort of criticism. So make sure you tune out all the noise and run your own race and focus on what you need to do. Even if you like to travel, if you like to eat certain foods, someone's going to have an opinion of what you're doing. So you really got to get good at defining yourself and tuning out the noise and run your own race and ignore all the critics.
All right, on to number 5, guys. I think frugality drives innovation. Just like other constraints, the only way to get yourself out of a tight box is to invent your way out. Guys, you have to come up with something original. You have to, you don't have to have this grandiose idea, but it has to be something that's new, innovative, it's different, something that people look at and say, oh, that's done differently than the way it was done before, or I've never seen that before. And just like Jeff Bezos has done, he created shipping in a way where we can get things faster. It was never a time where shipping was gonna be at your door same day now, within hours of you hitting that secure checkout button in Amazon's website. He's created something that was different, innovative. Like, we've always had USPS that sends us mail. You could get your mail within 2 to 3 days. if you spend a boatload of money. Now you can subscribe to an Amazon subscription for less than $15 a month, and you can get your packages sometimes within the same day. That is brilliant. That is something that, that is innovative. That is why he is one of the richest men on the planet, because he's changed our lives as we know.
At number 6, very important right here, a brand for a company is like a reputation for a person. You can improve your brand by doing the hard things well. You want to make sure you are delivering on your promises. You want to make sure you're delivering on your services. You want to make sure you're doing everything in a timely and an effective manner. This is how you're going to build brand equity with your customers, especially since you're just starting out. Right now, everything's a free-for-all, since now you can post on Instagram, you can post on social media, and really get a chance to garner new audience. You want to make sure you protect your brand at all costs, just like you're going to protect your reputation at all costs. Your brand is just like a reputation. Make sure you protect it, build it, and grow it.
Guys, these were 6 things from Jeff Bezos, one of the richest men, if not the richest man in the world. Guys, let us know anything that you've learned from seeing him on talk shows, seeing him from at his press conferences and things like that. The man is full of ideas and brilliance. Please let us know what you think in the comment section below. Hey, take the time out to subscribe to us, like, share with a friend. Guys, let's spread wealth, let's spread knowledge to everyone around us. Let's grow and become better people. Guys, as always, live adventurously. The world is yours.